Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this Magnesium 12-in-1 complex. So we're gonna check out this here. Let's see what we got. So if you wanna see all the different things it has in here, it's got 700 milligrams of all these different ones in there. So there you go. And then the jar comes in, oh, actually kind of cute. Got a gold top on it, and it's got that Magnesium 12-in-1 complex. And here we go, open it up, pop it open, and just a single little capsule here. So this is what the capsule looks like that. It's a little flexible little capsule. And so let's see what it has in here. It looks like it has 12 active magnesium types, 120 capsules. Definitely keep it stored in a dry place. It says take 1 capsule a day, preferably with a meal or water. So there you go. So 120 of them will last you 120 days on these. This is nice. So if you need some magnesium capsules, this is good. Thumbs up. Very nice.